Hi everyone, I am Aman Rashid and welcome to Gadgets 360. Did you know you can now make payments via WhatsApp? Yes, this feature is rolling out slowly in India, so if it's not on your phone yet, just wait a while and you'll get it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with WhatsApp payments. Before we begin, please take a moment and subscribe to our YouTube channel and do hit that bell icon as well so that you are notified whenever a brand new video drops. With that said, let's get started. WhatsApp Payments has been designed in partnership with the National Payments Corporation of India or NPCI, and it is based on the United Payments Interface or UPI. To get started, you need to be on the latest version of WhatsApp for Android or iOS. Your WhatsApp number should be the same number that's linked with your bank account too. If that's sorted, go to the WhatsApp settings menu on your phone and look for the new payments tab. Once you see that, follow these steps. On the payments page, tap add a payment method and select your bank from the next screen. Once you have made your selection, you'll need to verify your phone number via SMS. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your bank account details. Once your bank account is added successfully, you'll find your details under payment methods. To send money to a WhatsApp contact, open their chat and tap the attachment icon. Tap payment, type the amount on the next screen and hit enter. You will now be asked to enter your UPI PIN, enter that to complete the payment. You can also send money to those who use other UPI apps such as PhonePe or Google Pay. For that, you'll need to go to the payments page in WhatsApp settings and tap new payment. On the next screen, tap send to a UPI ID. You'll now see a pop-up, enter the UPI ID and hit verify. After the ID is verified, type the desired amount, hit enter and enter your UPI PIN. This way you'll be able to send payments to people who are not using WhatsApp payments yet. Speaking of which, you can also send requests to people to join WhatsApp payments. Follow these steps. Open a WhatsApp chat, tap the attachment icon and tap payment. On the next page, tap notify to let the other person know about WhatsApp payments feature. This is everything that you need to know about WhatsApp payments. This is how you can send and receive money through WhatsApp. Hit like if you learned something new and do share this video with others. Have some questions? You can let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.